I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways you can use the Artis Circle 1 brush. The Circle 1 brush is one of our two circle-shaped brushes. The Circle 1 has a round fiber bundle with a flat and precise edge. This makes it a perfect brush for applying a bold lip, an accent color on the eye, or spot treating a dry patch of skin. I love using my Circle 1 to apply my eye serum and my overnight lip balm treatment for an extra luxurious step in my nighttime regimen. It helps me relax and feel really pampered after a long workday. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether using liquids, powders, creams, and applies and blends makeup beautifully on any skin type. Here are some of my favorite ways to use the Circle 1 brush. To spot conceal a blemish, glide your Circle 1 brush across your concealer stick or pot and place gently on top of the spot you'd like to cover. The Artis CosmeFibre bundles are so densely packed, and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so you need very light pressure and a fraction of the product used with conventional brushes, which means excellent coverage and maximum blendability. The Circle 1 brush is perfect for picking up powder and blending it into the crease. Glide the Circle 1 across your powder shadow once. Move the brush lightly back and forth in the crease of the eye until your shadow is blended to perfection. The precise edge of the Circle 1 mimics the precise edge of your favorite lipstick, so whether you're using a bold color or a neutral, it's sure to give you the precision you need. Gently swipe your Circle 1 brush across the tip of your favorite lip color, and lightly move the brush across your lips until the color is evenly distributed. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.